Hello, Chase fans. Welcome back to a new episode of high-speed chases, pit maneuvers, and intense moments on the road. Today, we're diving into fast-paced pursuits and dangerous decisions that can change everything in seconds. Let's get into it. During his shift, Trooper noticed a Chrysler 300 driving recklessly. He did a quick plate check and received information that the plates were expired. He then activated his lights and sirens and attempted to pull the driver over, but the driver refused to comply, hit the gas, and started fleeing. At the very start of the pursuit, at the first traffic lights, the suspect showed zero signs of slowing down or showing any care for other drivers, which made this pursuit even more reckless for the trooper because he saw that the suspect didn't care about anything.
Back on the road, go back west on Highway 5.
Going west on Highway 5 over 430.
Otter Creek Stagecoach.
Going into oncoming traffic, staying on Highway 5.
Staying on Highway 5.
Passing Crystal Valley.
Passing Crystal Valley.
From the beginning, the trooper was thinking about how to end this pursuit in the best way. And with his experience and knowledge, the trooper decided that the pit maneuver was the best option.
Coming up on Otter Creek Parkway.
Coming up on Otter Creek Parkway.
Had a chance to conduct the pit in.
9 we're like, I'm going to be behind A4. Looks like a single occupant black male driver, goatee, do-rag. North on Otter Creek.
And the plan for the trooper worked. The pit maneuver was executed and was successful, and it stopped the suspect. The suspect was then arrested and taken into custody without further incident. On January 17, 2023, Trooper Cullen Young was northbound on East Street in Texarkana when he observed a motorcycle with a white gas tank. The trooper noticed the operator was not wearing eye protection and that the license plate was obstructed with a black substance, making it unreadable. He activated his emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver turned, looked at the trooper, then accelerated, clearly initiating a pursuit. The sole fact that he's riding a bike without any protective gear is already concerning, but fleeing from police without gear is on another level. If this biker gets into a crash or something like that, he's likely to die or suffer very serious injuries. And a careless pickup truck driver cut off the biker's path while the biker was going fast, which resulted in a serious crash. The motorcycle operator, Chauncey Basham, sustained major injuries. The truck driver was able to pull safely to the shoulder. This is just a reminder that riding without proper gear and fleeing from police is always a bad idea, because karma will catch up with you. On January 10th, 2024, Trooper First Class Stevenson joined a pursuit on SR 365 SB as the suspect, later identified as Erasmo Acosta, drove at a high rate of speed and refused to stop. Trooper observed the suspect passing vehicles recklessly and putting other drivers at risk. As the pursuit continued, the suspect lost all control and awareness of his surroundings. He entered intersections without slowing down, cut through traffic, and even drove into a vehicle, causing a crash, yet he still chose to flee. How far should someone go just to escape the police? The suspect continued driving dangerously, ignoring traffic signals and stop signs, nearly hitting multiple vehicles along the way. At this point, it wasn't just a pursuit anymore, it was a danger to everyone on the road. Trooper Stevenson made the decision to end the threat and successfully executed a pit maneuver, bringing the pursuit to a stop. The suspect was taken into custody without further incident. Troopers were alerted to a stolen BMW X5 traveling east on Interstate 20 in Newton County. Troopers located the vehicle and confirmed it was the stolen BMW, then followed behind it until a traffic stop was initiated. The driver, later identified as William Dixon, initially pulled over but then suddenly fled, beginning a pursuit as he drove at a high rate of speed and swerved through traffic. The suspect continued fleeing and entered a rest area, briefly slowing down before taking off again. The trooper regained position behind the BMW and had to take action to stop the danger. What would you do if a suspect suddenly changed direction and kept running from police like this? The trooper executed a pit maneuver, forcing the vehicle to spin and come to a stop, then used the patrol car to pin the BMW against a guardrail to prevent further movement. The driver was quickly taken into custody without further resistance, ending the pursuit safely.